Our second grouping combines chair dips and high knees. Let's start by looking at dips, which target your triceps or the back of your arms. You'll start by sitting on your chair with upright posture. From there, you'll put your hands on the bench as close to your hips as possible. Move your feet forward until your butt clears the platform while trying to keep your legs as straight as possible. This will be your starting position. Once your timer starts, lower your body towards the floor until your upper arms are parallel with the ground. From there, raise yourself up and return to your original starting position. It's important to try to keep your body as close to your chair as possible, as well as not going past parallel with your upper arms to reduce stress on your shoulders. If this exercise is too challenging with straight legs, you can reduce your range of motion at your elbows or bend your knees to make your dips more manageable. Your form will stay the same outside of the change in feet position. As you progress through this exercise, it is also important to make sure you don't let your upper arms flare outwards. Try to keep them as close to the body as possible to maintain tension on the triceps. The second exercise of the group is high knees. High knees are a great way to elevate your heart rate and work on hip range of motion. We're going to start by looking at the more basic version of this exercise, marching. This less intense version is a great place to start if you are still building up your cardiovascular capacity or need reduced impact for your joints. Standing with good posture, bring your hands up until you are at 90 degrees at your elbow. This will give you a target for your knees as you progress through this exercise. While this step isn't strictly necessary, it can be helpful if you find elevating your knees difficult. From there, raise one knee up until you hit the palm of your hand. Return your leg to rest and bring your opposite knee up to hit the other palm. You'll repeat this marching motion for the full duration of your exercise. For the more advanced version, you will repeat these same steps at a much higher intensity. See if you can move quick enough to get both feet off the floor at the same time. That concludes the exercises for your second group.